Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to hide online status on WhatsApp on iPhone. Okay, so the first thing we should do is head on over to WhatsApp and of course log into the account that you want to rather hide your online status on. So the first thing we should do is to head on over to the setting by tapping three dots on top right corner of your screen. Just click on that and let's actually navigate through the settings net. Of course, once you have done clicking on settings tab, what we want to do next is to click over here on the account, and we have a few options over here, but what we want to click on in order to actually hide our online status is the privacy account, rather the privacy tab. How over here we can actually click over here on the status. Okay, so let's just click on status, and now this is basically the status where we are currently in, whether we are online, offline, busy, or don't want to be disturbed, or anything as in those words, rather in anything in the nature of that, of whether we want to basically it's just the status of us on WhatsApp on the application itself. So basically if we want to hide our online status from everyone, what we want to do is, of course, we have three options. Actually, one is my contact, which actually means that our status will be shared or showed, rather will be shared with all of our contacts. So we click on this, it's gonna be shared to all of our contacts over here. You could actually also set it to my contacts except, which means that you could actually share your status with your contacts, but actually not all of them. You can actually select a few people that you don't actually want, rather what you are rather you want, or rather you don't want them to see that you are actually online or whatever status you are currently in. And over here on the last option we have the only share with, which means that you could actually just select a few people from your contact to actually share your online status. Now if you actually want to hide your online status from everyone, what you could do is to actually click on any trusted account that you don't really care that much, maybe that maybe your mother, your sister, your best friend, or you can actually choose your own account. So in this case that you actually have two phone numbers and you are actually friend with your own account over here on WhatsApp, you could actually choose that some person which is you, and of course only let that person know your online status. And of course if only that person knows your online status hidden from everybody else, and of course that's our goal for this video. So of course if you actually choose that, that's great thing. Of course, since we are actually going to reach the goal of this video, so let's say this person is us. Okay, this person is the same account, or rather that trusted person that we actually trust and don't really care about that much to actually share our status with. So once you have chosen that, click on done, and basically that's it's hidden from everyone on WhatsApp except for this person which you actually trust. And it's possible to actually make this person you, if you have another extra account on WhatsApp which is available to only, of course, use as proxy to share your online status. So this was the process by which you can hide online status on WhatsApp on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.